reported speech? Statements. What is reported speech? Reported speech is when we talk about what somebody else said. Direct speech. I've been to London 3 times. Reported speech. She said she'd been to London 3 times. We often use reported speech when talking about a conversation that happened in the past. There are some changes to the verbs with reported speech. Read the table to find out how each verb tense changes. Simple present in direct speech changes to simple past in reported speech. For example, I want to go home. She said she wanted to go home. Present continuous changes to past continuous. I'm reading a good book. She said she was reading a good book. Simple past changes to past perfect. I ate pasta for dinner last night. She said she'd eaten pasta for dinner last night. Present perfect also changes to past perfect. I've just finished cleaning my room. She said she'd just finished cleaning her room. My mother has never been to Japan. She said her mother had never been to Japan. Can and can't change to could and couldn't. I can meet with you next Monday. She said she could meet with me next Monday. Sorry, I can't talk now. I'm at work. She said she couldn't talk at the moment because she was at work. Will and won't change to would and wouldn't. I'll pick him up at the airport. She said she'd pick him up at the airport. I won't tell anybody your secret. She said she wouldn't tell anybody my secret. Be careful. Said and told have a small difference. After told, we need to include a person. She said that she wanted to go home. She told me that she wanted to go home. She told John that she wanted to go home. The sentences, she told that she wanted to go home and she said me that she wanted to go home, are incorrect.